ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. Find all angles. So angle, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle C is equal to angle A plus C is equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 100 degree. And angle D plus A is also equal to 180 because AB is parallel to CD. Therefore 80 plus D is equal to 180. Angle D is also equal to 100 degree, and D plus B is also equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral, so angle B is equal to 80 degree. Now the second question is AOB CD, angle C is equal to 130 degree. Find angle DAB and angle DBA. DAB. Proof, near solution. Angle C plus angle DAB is equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral, 130 plus DAB is equal to 180. So DAB is equal to 50 degree. Now angle angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Angle in semicircle. So triangle DAB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 1 is 90, 2 is 50, 3 is DBA is equal to 180. So DBA is equal to 40 degree. Example 3. Example 3 is BC O is the center of circle. E, and this is angle 48. We have to find BDC. We have to find angle BEC. We have to find angle BAC. Solution. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Angle in semicircle, because DB is a diameter. So now angle 1, triangle DBC, 48 plus 90 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. So angle 1 is equal to 42. That is BDC. BDC is equal to 42 degree. BEC. So angle 1 plus BEC is equal to 180. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. So 42 plus BEC is equal to 180. BEC is equal to 180 minus 42, that is 138. Now BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle 1, angle in same segment. So therefore angle BAC is equal to 42 degree. AB is the diameter of a circle. C, D, E are the points C, D and E. C, D, E are the points on a circle. Find the value of ACD plus BED. We'll join construction, join AE. Angle 1. Proof or solution: angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Angle in semicircle. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Angle 2 is ACD and angle 3 plus 1 is equal to angle ACD and 3 plus 1 is BED is equal to angle 2 plus 3, that is 180 plus 90 is 270. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Example 5. Example 5 is, in a given cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, DBC is 55. DBC is 55. BAC is 45. Find angle BCD. We have to find this. So this is 55. So angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 55. Angle in same segment. Therefore angle BAD is equal to 45 plus 55 is equal to 100 degree. Angle BAD plus angle BAD plus BCD is equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So BAD 100 plus BCD is equal to 180. So BCD is equal to 80 degree. PQRS. So example number 6 says, in a given figure, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is 73. Angle this is 55. This angle is 82. We have to find angle QRS, number 1. Number 2, we have to find RQS. Number 3, we have to find PRQ. So first of all, we will find PQRS. Q, R and S, angle 1. Solution: 73 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 73 is 107. Then RQS. First we will find angle this. Triangle angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 128. Angle 2 is equal to 52. Angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 82. 52 plus angle 3 is equal to 82. Therefore angle 3 is equal to 30 degree. Now angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle RQS is equal to 180. So it is 3 plus 1, 3 is 30, 1 is 107 plus RQS is equal to 180. So RQS is equal to 180 minus 137 is equal to 43 degree. And the last one is PRQ. 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 Now in triangle PQS, angle QP S plus QPS PQS plus PSQ So angle 2 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 52 angle in same